food. We're gonna be reviewing this food. What's up, stream? Nobody's here. I'm lonely. Okay, so let's get it over here. This is a chicken fajita mega bowl. I don't know. Might be good. Let's see. Is this where you? Where do you? Yeah, I'm assuming it's right here. Oh yeah, that looks good. That. Oh, it looks delicious. I doubt my crappy camera's getting that, but that just looks. For microwave food, at least. Like, it takes 6 minutes to get this gourmet meal. I ain't complaining. And people are about to get triggered at how I use chopsticks, so this is how I use them. I don't know if this is how they're supposed to be used, and I do not give a fuck. This should probably be right here, because I look at myself when I talk instead of my camera. It's a very bad problem. There we go. Y'all get the food cam. Except I'm gonna have to change it once I take a bite, because they always also show them eating it and their reaction. Okay. Got a nice piece of meat here. Alright, y'all ready? That's good. That's good. Ah. Ah. Ah, my throat. Ah. 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 Much better. Yeah, gotta say, pretty good meat. Hey, yo, hold up, pause. Fuck. Some actual bullshit. I love that. I would eat this all day. Why is there nobody? Oh shit, we got a viewer? No cap. Yo. You're here for a food review. This is so dumb. Yo, what you doing, bro? Out of everybody to watch. You can't even, like... Wait, can you even type in chat? I'm pretty sure you can. I think so. I don't know, man. It bustin' though. For this viewer, let me go ahead and show you what we got, bro. We got the chicken fajita mega bowl, bro. This shit bustin', especially with chopsticks. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably a bit weirded out now. Definitely should not have done that. Okay, well, that's cool. Right there. Yo. This food is bussin' though. I do gotta say. Let me try a pepper. Not by itself though. Get a pepper and some meat together. It's a bit hard. No, I'll take a pepper by itself. Worst pepper I've ever had. Let's try one of the green ones. Worst pepper I've ever had, man. Do gotta say, it is good. A good basis for a meal. Like, I never thought that. I mean, this is kind of like that one Korean dish, right? What's it called? Here, let me go to. It's like where it's just a bunch of leftovers. Dish. Is bibimbap what it's called? Is that what it's called? Bip bop. What is bibimbap? Yeah, I think that's what I was thinking of. It's just like a bunch of leftovers. I don't know, man. Just, I don't know. I don't. Ew. Nobody likes beans. It's not my goal to eat every pepper, because they are not spicy at all, and it's very disappointing. What's this right here? Oh, just some rice. Let's get a bunch of rice. I said get some rice. There we go. pretty toasty. I should probably move my mic away. Y'all probably been hearing me chew. Probably a bit nasty. Damn, I didn't get to thank that dude for the follow, Dirksmeyer. Well, Dirksmeyer, I'ma say it right now, thanks for the follow. Didn't see it last night. I don't even think I was streaming last night. Yeah, so that's why. But I will say it now. A good thanks for that follow, and I need to fix my hair. I look homeless. It's just gonna fall back down if I just barely, yeah. Let me just. Yeah, there we go. Bit better of a situation, eh? Let me refresh chat. Yo, I'm gonna just go ahead. Yo, what color should we do, boys? Purple? Or like pink? Yo, and I just be like, yo, now I'm green. Dumb as fuck, bro. Dumb as fuck. Must I have this meal? Let's see here. Fuck, I cannot use a mouse with my left hand. Yo. Alright. Now we pull this up. Well. get badges? Somebody tell me how to get badges on Twitch. I'll probably just end up searching it up on YouTube later, but oh, that's a lot of pepper. There's like 5, 6 peppers in here. Give me some corn. That corn is legitimately spicier than the peppers have been. Once again, that chicken is the bomb. If it was not for that chicken, I would not have this meal. Good thing I'm not a vegetarian. Ugh, my bad. Let me get pull that down. Pull that down. Yeah. Okay. So, end of the review. I say it's some good food. This was a live stream, so anybody from YouTube, go check out my Twitch. It's on my about page. You can also find it might be in the description if you're on YouTube. Anybody on Twitch, go check out my YouTube for even more content. Like, you know, there's like videos. I'm thinking about doing this thing called Horror Week later tonight. I'm probably gonna record that. I don't know. Hopefully.